Hi, welcome to Ed Foodie. We're having a small group meeting tonight, and I'm going to make like a shredded beef we can put into either little tacos or little sliders. It's going to cook all day, so it's going to be really nice and tender. So here's my chuck roast. It's about a 3.3 pounds. And like I said, it's going to be very, very simple. I put in about maybe not even an eighth of a cup of water. I just like to get some water underneath it and make the beef moist so that my spices will stick to it. So let's go ahead and add the spices. I'm going to put in, I think, 3 teaspoons of, I've got some homemade taco seasoning. You can buy some taco seasoning at the store if you want to. I like to make my own. That way I can make it as hot as I want, and I definitely put less salt in than what you get at the store. You want enough just to cover the roast. Add a little bit of flavor. What the heck, let's put in 4. That way it's definitely a half of a package. I'm going to add, I've got about a half or fourth of a red onion, and I just cut it up into some slices. Pour it on top. This will give it another nice flavor. And then the main thing for taste, I'm just using a jar of salsa that I got at the store. I like the cilantro. We're going to add in, I think, about a cup. And again, just pour this on top. Just making sure it's all covered nice. And that's going to be it. Very easy, very simple. We'll cover it, let it set on low, 9 hours. It'll probably be ready in 7 or 8 hours. I'll test it in 8 hours and want to make sure it's done. So that's it. Set it, forget it, go about your day, and then you come back and it'll be ready to go. If you want the recipe for my taco seasoning, I'll put a link in the description below. All right, it's been cooking about 7 hours in the slow cooker on low. I'm gonna take a look at this. Oh, it looks nice. All right, let's take a little taste of this. Oops. Wow, really good. I'm really glad I put those onions in there. That really nice, gives it some good flavor. Yeah, this is really good. It's pretty tender. I think what I'm going to do though is turn it up to high for maybe the last hour just to get it. I want it like just fall apart, kind of like a pulled pork kind of thing. So yeah, really good. This is a very simple recipe. All right, let's pull this roast out of the crock pot. All right, well, I think what I'm going to do is take this liquid. I want to save it because I want to put a little bit and put it on warm. I'm going to pour it through a strainer into just another bowl, and that way we'll keep all the tomato and onions and stuff in a little separate thing. Just going to kind of cut this into big chunks and tear it. Here's kind of the remnants of the onions and the tomato from the salsa. We'll pour that back in. Give it a good stir. What I thought I'd also do is people who don't want buns with the carbs and calories and stuff. I got a couple heads of romaine lettuce so they can make like little lettuce wraps. I don't know what to call this yet. Maybe salsa roast beef. Mmm. Very flavorful, very tender, juicy. Yeah, now that is really good. Anyway, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to Ed Foodie right over there. Thank you for watching.